Hello everyone, I'm Amit, a computer science educator, researcher and trainer from India, and in our remote learning series today we will learn that how a student as well as teacher can use this amazing platform called Wakelet for an effective teaching learning process. So let's start with it. Wakelet is a free platform which allows us to save, organize, present and share content from across the web. We can understand Wakelet in 3 easy steps. First of them is bookmark anything, which means save any content from across the web, article, videos, blogs, tweets, docs, podcasts and many more. And we can bookmark anything that we find just in 2 clicks. Next thing is organize and curate. We can arrange our bookmark into stunning collections, add images, text and more content to it to make the collection more meaningful and engaging. Third thing is collaborate and share, which means we can invite others to collaborate with our collection to share ideas, inspiration and knowledge. We can share the collections with a single link via various integrations available across applications with Wakelet. So they are like Teams or Google Classroom, OneNote and Tutor or maybe Google Drive. So next, Wakelet integrate with many apps across the web. Basically they are all educational apps like Teams is there, Screencastify is there, Bunsy is there, your OneNote is there, Flipgrid is there, many more, even Google Classroom is there. So Wakelet has integrated with all these apps and created a wonderful platform to improve the workflow of an educator and to make the sharing easy. So 4 amazing features of Wakelet is, one is collaboration. We can collaborate with other on our collections and which is perfect for group projects, assignment and reflection boards. And second is copy collection. If we have made a wonderful collection, we can just copy it, edit it to create a new collection. Immersive reader, which translate any text on Wakelet into 60 different languages and more, which is great for inclusivity and equity. So fourth thing is embedded collection. We can embed any Wakelet collection into a blog, website or learning management system. So how can teachers use Wakelet? Teachers across the world are using Wakelet in so many powerful ways. Through the power of curation, we can easily enhance engagement, productivity for our learning communities. So one is classroom newsletter. Second is we can use it for documenting our PDs and collecting resources across the web, and interactive lessons we can create with this. Even lesson planning is done using Wakelet, and group research with the personal learning network can also be done with this. So collaborative use case is very important in this. Now how can students use Wakelet? Student should be 13 years old or above to use Wakelet. To sign up to create official account on Wakelet, they can use Wakelet to complete assignment, enhance their digital research and even create visual portfolio that showcase the best moment and accomplishment of their life. But even if they are under 13 years, they can also use Wakelet through collaborative feature of Wakelet, because educator can share link with the student to contribute or collaborate in the collections for assignment submission, project research, digital portfolio, class discussion, assignment and group research also. So how can library and tech coaches use Wakelet? They are basically resource hubs in any institution. So they use it for resource hub and events and media, even creating newsletters and resources from patents and creating digital library and session feedback and back channels. So a day in Wakelet enabled classroom, curating resources. Teacher capture all the learning and teaching resources they find online, and they can be everything on YouTube video, document to articles and podcasts, and they add their own content and share to the class or learning community. Next is lesson planning. Teachers use mixed media to create engaging and interactive collection, and they combine their own content and instructions along with the media from across the web to create a meaningful lesson plan. So in the same way, student assignment, teacher wants to challenge a student with digital research, storytelling, communication or critical thinking skills. They set assignment on Wakelet, and that require the students to create collection using content from across the web to support their ideas. And last thing is the class newsletter. Teachers want an easy visual way to showcase all the great things happening in their class. They save all of their best tweets, photos, success stories that the students have been learning that week into beautiful Wakelet collections to share with the school community. Wakelet is also available as an app on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. So Wakelet has a browser extension also, in the form of browser extension also with the Mozilla Firefox, Chrome or Edge. So it's an added advantage on desktop. So how to get started with the Wakelet? It's only 3 steps. Sign up and then create an amazing collection and then share that collection with the world for collaboration. So it's all simple. We can access the useful resources available at Tutor, YouTube, as well as help desk of Wakelet. So this is all about Wakelet, which is an amazing platform, and the topping on the ice is that it is free.